Why TekniKool? Since 2008, TekniKool has been serving its customers with superior residential and commercial air conditioning services best suited for their air conditioning needs. The reasons for choosing TekniKool for your air conditioning needs in Sydney are: at Teknicool Air Conditioning, we deal with only top quality and efficient air conditioning brands like Actron, Daikin, Fujitsu, Carrier, Mitsubishi, Samsung, etc., and provide custom solutions for your home or larger commercial spaces. Many satisfied customers have relied on our quality services and products that come with affordable pricing. TekniKool is fully licensed and insured, is a member of the ARC, Australian Refrigeration Council, which commits to learning and practicing all air conditioning codes and practices. We specialise in the installation of split and ducted air conditioning in Sydney, New South Wales. At TekniKool, we make use of only quality parts and materials. We offer free quotes and 5 years warranty on installations so that our valued customers can enjoy peace of mind. We are fully licensed and fully insured. We are member of the ARC, Australian Refrigeration Council, experts' advice on air conditioners to add value to your property. TekniCool Air Conditioning installation as well as repair work business in Sydney specialise in ducted as well as split system air conditioning system of all major brand names such as Daikin, Mitsubishi as well as Fujitsu air conditioning unit. For all air conditioning needs call TekniCool on 02 9786 1822.